How I make just about $40 every single day by literally just taking about 30-45 minutes out of my day every single day. Hey, what's going on everyone? Devin Knupp here, back at you with a brand new video. And the numbers that I'm showing you guys that I showed you, that's all just one like small source of income that I've been building up for just about a year. And every day, like as you guys know, I make about a video a day. And I have a couple of ads that usually run on my videos. Usually there's like one at the beginning, maybe like one during the video, and then one at the end. And that's really all I do. And actually I usually don't put ads at the end. But anyways, I make a video just about every single day talking about real estate. And with real estate, like a lot of you watch my videos are into real estate wholesaling. And it like literally all I do is kind of document the process, talk about like different tips and tricks that I come across. Sometimes I get other people on the channel talking about the results that they've gotten. I talk about my own results, and that's it. I literally just make a video every single day, usually about a 10-minute video talking about whatever's going on. And then I have this income coming in. And actually it makes a lot more than that, but that's just specifically the ad revenue. It actually makes a lot more than that off this channel through different affiliate products and different courses and stuff that I sell through my personal brand. And the thing is, why I'm telling you this, and you don't have to have any crazy enormous amount of success in order to kind of easily just build up this revenue stream. Like I said, it literally takes me 30 minutes a day. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent inside of this video. If you were to do what I do, it probably will take you, I'll give you like 2 to 3 hours to make a video at the beginning, and then you start to get a lot better at it as time goes on. I got like a faster computer now. I got a actual camera versus just recording all my videos like I used to on my phone. And I've been able to make it so the video editing, everything, thumbnail, takes me about 30-45 minutes or so a day. I don't put too much effort in the videos lately. I've just been crazy busy, and me putting in less work has actually been able to generate me the same amount of views, if not more, on this channel, which is kind of crazy in my opinion. So it took me about a year to build this up, so not by any means is this a quick way to make a lot of money or be able to have this income come in on the side. But what you can do, and this works for anybody, whether you have been able to get a lot of success in your business or you're kind of like going through the process. If you're getting into business, then I really recommend that you document the process. Just start making videos. Hey, I'm making cold calls today, or I am going out and driving for dollars, or like whatever business model you're doing, whatever you're doing, the day-to-day tasks, just start documenting it. Start putting it out there that you are doing whatever it may be, whatever business model. If you're doing real estate wholesaling, just document the process. Document everything. And it's totally okay if the videos are bad. My first couple of videos, they were awful. And probably my next like 50 or so after that. Now we're a little over 300 videos on the channel. And I've been uploading every single day for almost a year now. And after doing that, I've been able to just kind of build up this income stream without even like really mentally trying to grow it. There's been a couple times where I like built up these products or try to find the people that I could use for the affiliate products that I really like to use in my own like personal business and everything. But other than that, it really isn't all of that much work. It's just where the work is the persistence and the consistency. A lot of people, they'll put in the work, but they won't do it for a long period of time. They won't do it for a year. And this is like the most surefire kind of guaranteed way to be able to generate income on the side. If you like literally just do it every day. It's almost the biggest guarantee that it can give you. As long as you just keep uploading and the quality is decent, and you just keep working on the videos, maybe rewatch them, figure out how you can do them better, then you're gonna be able to generate income from this. And so that's like the money side of it. It's not really all that big of a deal to me. $1,200, $1,300, it's not that big of a deal. What is a big deal? Why I did my YouTube channel, why I started doing the personal branding. Yeah, part of it was so that way I could have this income stream that I could always rely on if everything starts to go south. Let's say my real estate business goes downhill, everything that I'm doing goes downhill. My courses, they just completely stop selling or whatever, people don't want to buy them anymore. whatever the reason may be. For some reason, there's no more demand inside of real estate wholesaling, whatever it may be. I still have this personal brand to kind of back me up. Yeah, I have that money coming in, but on top of that, you wouldn't imagine or you wouldn't believe the amount of connections that I get. Yeah, I only have like 6,400 subscribers as of today, but I get a lot of people reaching out to me because like there's a few different reasons. Part of it is because I have this knowledge base that other people that's valuable. I know how to wholesale houses, and I've documented the process, and I've taught a lot of people how to wholesale houses. I can teach people how to do that. I can do mentoring, I can do courses, whatever it may be, and I can make money off of it. But that's not the most important part. What's more important is people start to recognize that, and there's other people that are bigger in other niches. Let's say like I have people that are in like the credit card niche. I have people in like the influencer niche. I have people in all of these different niches, and I've been able to build up this connection or this relationship by simply just keep putting out content and kind of just showing like, hey, this is what I'm doing, this is just documenting the process, giving advice to people, and people start to notice that over time. And as people start to notice that over time, that you start to just talk to a lot of people. I get a lot of people messaging me. I get a lot of people that like I can learn off of. Like a lot of you guys watching this video, some of you probably sent me a message, and I've been able to kind of just learn off of that message and be able to kind of grow myself as a person by kind of just living through other people's experiences. On top of that, I have people that are in the wholesaling business specifically that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month that I talk to on a regular basis now, all through my personal brand. And yeah, I could have been able to have the same amount of success aside from the personal brand and be able to make probably been able to build it up a lot more, but I probably wouldn't have been able to get some of the connections. It's kind of a trade-off, but without the personal brand, I probably wouldn't know as many people as I do today. And there's so many people that I've been talking to throughout the whole process of them growing, they were complete beginners, or they're already kind of successful, that I've been able to build a lot of trust and respect with the relationship, that I really have people that I can go to if all hell breaks loose. Let's say that I kind of like lost everything. I still have these people that I can reach out to, just be like, hey, I need to make money right now, or hey, can you give me a shout out on your Instagram? I need to grow my following a little bit more. I need a little bit of advice in this kind of rough spot. Like if I lost everything, I still have these connections, and they're invaluable. You can't put a dollar sign on the connections that you make. And it's such a simple way to build up a side income stream. Yes, you do have to kind of learn how to do the technical stuff, but literally all I did, like for, I want to say the first 50 to maybe 100 videos or so, I did everything, literally everything off my iPhone. I record the videos, I use the back camera because the front camera really sucks. And then I would just record the videos, and I would edit them on my phone. I would download the iMovie app, edit the videos on my phone, and then upload them to YouTube through my phone. Or I transfer them. I have like this I have this Surface right here that I was using, and it's super slow processor, and it would take forever to upload the videos, but I was able to do it. I was able to make it happen. And then as I was starting to make more and more money, and then I just started to reinvest the money back into cooler gear, like this camera, for example, or the computer, or different, like I have like a ton of hard drives because I have so much. Actually I have like 3 hard drives with the combined of like 4 terabytes just full of videos. But I also have like a mic and everything. You kind of give the stuff as you go on, and it all kind of just repays itself. On top of that, you have the connections that you build and the network from your personal brand. So, moral of the story, where am I getting with all this? If you want to generate a side revenue or just a way to make money, if everything kind of goes to crap, then I really recommend that you start documenting your process. Start making videos. It doesn't really matter what the topic's on. If you do real estate videos, you get paid a little bit more. Real estate and finance, those 2 topics usually generate a higher CPM, which is cost per mil, which is basically how many dollars you get paid per 1,000 views. And as you saw, mine's sitting around like, what was it, like $35 or something like that. Something a little bit higher. But just start documenting the process, and as time goes on, you'll be able to have this thing that you've just passively been doing, and you can kind of have it set up like I do, where it takes 30 to 45 minutes, and you're able to generate this side income. So go out there right now, start making videos, and start documenting the process. Obviously, you gotta put in the work on whatever business it is, but people love the come up story. People love being able to see where you came from. So anyways, that's what I got for you guys. Hope you all enjoyed it, and like always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.